Welcome to the environment setup section where you get to know about the tools you need to install on your laptop. In this section, I'll be guiding you through the different tools you need to install, the accounts you need to set up, and also give you advice on what an ideal workstation should look like. Let's dive in. Having a fast internet connection is crucial for a smooth learning experience. If possible, consider having a backup internet solution in case the primary one fails. That's a little assurance for an uninterrupted learning experience, right? For your workstation, a decent laptop with at least 8 GB of RAM is recommended. With 4 GB, you might find limitations in installing certain tools which could slow down your progress. If you're unsure about your laptop specifications, here's how to quickly check. On Windows, open up the system information by searching for it in the Start menu. Here, you can see your installed RAM, processor type, and other details about your system. On Mac, click on the Apple menu in the top corner of your screen and select About this Mac. A window will pop up showing your Mac specifications, including the amount of memory, RAM, processor, and storage. Remember, what you're targeting is at least 8 GB of memory or RAM. Do not confuse this with storage. They're not the same thing. In terms of your workstation setup, adding a second monitor to your laptop is highly recommended for an enhanced learning experience. This setup allows you to watch videos on one screen and work on projects on the other. If you can afford more screens, it's even better. Here's what my workstation looks like. Don't feel intimidated. Remember, the more the merrier, right? Now, onto the tools. The first on the list is an AWS account. In our next video, I'll be walking you through the entire process of setting up an AWS account. It's important to have a credit or debit card that can be charged in USD for account verification. Amazon will make a $1 transaction to verify your account, which will be refunded. If obtaining a USD capable card is a challenge, consider using services like cheapercash.com to generate a virtual card for this purpose. See you in the next video as we progress in setting you up with the different tools.